Welcome to the presentation. Science, Spirituality and Shri Yantra. Part 1. Modern science. Quantum theory deals with the small-scale world of atoms and particles. The theory of relativity covers the large-scale structure of the universe. Scientists are searching for a complete and consistent theory that unifies quantum and relativity theories. Quantum theory. In 1900, Max Planck published his theory explaining the emission spectrum of black bodies. Quantum theory. Plural of quantum is quanta. In physics, quantum refers to an indivisible and elementary entity known as Planck constant for measurement of length and time. The Planck length is 10 to the power of minus 36 meters. That is 1 meter divided by 1 followed by 36 zeros. The Planck time is 10 to the power of minus 43 seconds. That is 1 second divided by 1 followed by 43 zeros. Need for a cosmic factor. Albert Einstein, after his theory of special relativity 1905 and theory of general relativity 1915, intuitively felt the need for cosmic factor and incorporated it in his theory as cosmological constant. Later, he abandoned it due to its incompatibility with physics. Results found in 2000, however, revealed that Einstein was probably right after all. The cosmological constant not only exists, but dark energy probably makes up the largest source of matter or energy in the entire universe. From Einstein's Cosmos 2004 by Michel Cocu. Before the Big Bang. Singularity, the point at which the space-time curvature becomes infinite. The picture here shows evolution of the universe from the point of similarity. After the Big Bang. Elements that emerged after the Big Bang are space, time, gravity, strong force, weak force, electromagnetic force, elementary particles, code or information. Elementary particles: yellow, electrons; red, protons; green, neutrons. At quantum level, the particles behave as waves also. Space. Scales of space measurement. If human scale of measurement is 1 meter, the size of atom will be 1 meter divided by 1 followed by 18 zeros, and the size of galaxy will be 1 meter multiplied by 1 followed by 18 zeros. Time. Time is currently defined via measurement. 1 second is 9,192,631,770 oscillations of a hyperfine transition in the 133 cs atom. Light year is the distance covered by light in 1 year traveling at the speed of 300,000 kilometers per second. Spacetime. Einstein linked space and time into space-time continuum. In this picture, Earth is depicted into spatial dimensions x and y, the plane of the Earth orbit and a time dimension. Gravity. Newton discovered gravity, and his law of universal gravitation states that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force directed along the line of centers of mass for the two objects. Gravity on Earth. Gravity on Earth is different from other bodies in the solar system. If the gravity on Earth is 1, it will be 27.9 on the Sun, 0.16 on the Moon, 2.64 on Jupiter and 0.06 on Pluto. 3. Nuclear forces. Strong nuclear force tightly holds the protons together in the nucleus of an atom. Weak nuclear force is responsible for the decay or radioactivity of some subatomic particles. Electromagnetism is the force that acts between electrically charged particles. Symmetry after the Big Bang. This is symmetry immediately after the Big Bang. It broke when temperature of the universe lowered and a number of completely different particles at low energies emerged. Similar symmetry will appear at the end of the universe or just before the Big Crunch. Nucleus and the field of an atom. An atom may be visualized as a ball-shaped soccer field of several kilometers diameter with the players and the referees of the size of wasps in the center as nucleus and balls of the size of mosquitoes moving in the field as electrons. Galaxies formed in the universe. This is a view of a cluster of galaxies that may be called observable or visible universe. The total number of galaxies and clusters of galaxies is not known. Our galaxy, the Milky Way. The Milky Way is a large disc-shaped spiral galaxy about 100,000 light-years in diameter and 3,000 light-years in thickness. It is estimated that the Milky Way contains about 300 billion stars, and the Sun is just one of them. Molecule. Generally, a molecule is the smallest particle of a pure chemical substance that still retains its composition and chemical properties. A molecule is a sufficiently stable, electrically neutral entity composed of two or more atoms. Water molecule. H2O is an oxygen atom red bond or connected with two hydrogen atoms blue to make a molecule we call water molecule. Covalent bond of atoms. The covalent bond is formed when the electron clouds of two atoms overlap. Where the clouds overlap, they are thicker, and their electric charge is stronger. The group of atoms joined in this way is known as a molecule. The number of covalent bonds which an atom can form depends on how many electrons it has. The states of gross matter. Here are pictures of water molecules in three forms: gas, liquid, solid. Most liquids get smaller when they get colder. Water is different and contracts until it reaches 40 C when it expands until it is solid. This property is important for preservation of life under very low temperatures. Supernova. When the star cools and its energy is reduced, it explodes and throws away some atoms that combine to make molecules. The picture here shows supernova-like explosion. Earth. Earth emerged as a ball of fire after supernova-like explosion of the Sun. Gradually, it cooled and had the proper climate, water and fertile ground for life to survive and prosper. The universe as one field. The field of quantum or zero-point field is all-pervading and makes the universe as one field. The empty space, consciousness and gravity in the field of atom is vast compared to the size of particles. E equals electron, N equals neutron, P equals proton. Wave particle humanity. The quantum theory has shown wave particle humanity of reality at subatomic level. This confirms the relevance of waves or non-material phenomenon in understanding the reality.